Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everybody. Today I am very happy because today is Thursday. Thursday is the last working day of our office. So everybody very happy because tomorrow Friday and Saturday our office is closed. So somebody going to market, going to restaurant, going to park, going to new place. This is our workplace. I work this place from 2004 to till now. Everybody prayer me. Now I would like to introduce myself in front of you. I am Rashid, comes from Jamalpur, lives in Dhaka, Bonani. The workplace name is T.N.T. Adarsh Mohila College, Bonani, Dhaka. It's established 1987. That time, HSC program, Science, Arts and Commerce, and under National University, degree pass course, BA, BSS and BBS. Others, 7 subject honors under National University running now. This subject, Bengali, Economics, Political Science, English, Accounting, Management and Marketing. Our college is very good. T.N.T. Adarsh Mohila College is the best college in capital city, Gulshan and Bonani PS. So, I personally request all guardian every day, anytime visit out this college campus and talking our acting principal Sultan Mahmud sir. Our college running chairman, principal MD Selim Bhuiya sir. So everybody prayer me. Thank you very much. Our college chairman sir is very famous person, teachers, leader. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Everybody prayer me. Allah.